Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Awesome Keurig Recipes. I know it's been a while, but I'm gonna hit you something different today for today's video. I know with everything's going on in the world, 2020 and 2021, I thought I'd bring you something of a different recipe today, with everyone trying to be more conscious of caffeine, sugar, and things of that. I had found a recipe that I wanted to share with you guys for decaffeinated coffee, zero sugar coffee creamer. So it's going to be basically a decaffeinated ice French vanilla iced coffee recipe. So first thing you want to do is definitely find you one of these zero sugar coffee creamers. Today is going to be the French vanilla by International Delight, using my own personal Starbucks tumbler. Go here, it's where I keep all the K-cups. Today we're going to go with the breakfast blend 100% Arabica decaf coffee. You can grab this one at Walmart. Of course, you can always grab your favorite brand of decaf coffee. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. Pop it in like so. And you want to definitely make it strong because there's no caffeine in it. Go for 10 ounces. Hit the button. So you have the decaf coffee, like I said, whichever brand you decide to choose. Some people have been taking in too much caffeine with the energy drinks, and sometimes, depending on what you're doing it for, but not everyone drinks coffee with caffeine. So this is just an alternate recipe that I decided to make because I was looking at some of the comments on previous videos. So you're gonna let this brew. So this is a pretty good Starbucks tumbler. I've had this for a while and it's still no cracks. Keeps everything hot or cold. I have the lid over here as well, so if you were on the go, but if you're at home and just want to take it to another room, then you're good. And this is some of the other syrups that I have that's going to be coming in other videos. If you're interested in any of these, I'll put some links below for you. So while this is brewing, please check the channel other videos out, like, subscribe, and get the notifications because I will be getting more videos to you guys. And here's another one of my personal favorites in the morning. Alright, so this is already going to brew. You want it on 10 ounces because once you add the creamer to it, you don't want to oversaturate the coffee taste with too much creamer. So now that we're done, we'll go ahead, open this up. Definitely always give it a good shake. And I always tell people, check your expiration dates on these things just to make sure. So I buy a lot of these for the videos and other things that I do. You believe some of these will go bad quick on you if you don't check the date in the store. So a little more about this. This is zero sugar, it's gluten-free and lactose-free. So that's why I say this is a different recipe, because everyone, as we get older, can't drink a lot of different types of coffee anymore with all the sugar and creamers. So here's the nutrition facts for you. Right there. Alright, so let's get on with it. So you just want to add just a little bit to it right there. Let it blend in. And what you want to do, if you have a spoon or if you have some way to shake it, but I have the lid as I told you, so this comes in handy for me. I put that in there like that. Screw it on. And give it a little shake. So depending on how you want it, everybody, you know, you could actually put this in the refrigerator, let it chill for about a good 15 minutes. So you have your iced coffee, but if you like that hot decaf coffee and just want just a little bit of creamer in it, you're ready to go. If you have a tumbler, and you have several ways you can do it. Like I said, here's the regular coffee cup, then you have one steel lid tumbler, and then like I said, here's my Star Wars toaster and my Star Wars lightsaber mug. So this is the final thing you need to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Try this out. Let me know if you like it. If you have any other zero sugar recipes or decaf coffee recipes you want to see, let me know. But definitely going to bring you more videos soon. Thanks for watching.